After an incident locally at Wesley, and in the next month another incident in AI, it had become quite clear that we were missing some structural inspections. With that in mind, and then looking back at reports, we were seeing that there was a major gap over a couple of years. So from there we had to try and find a way that we could consistently have a plan where the inspectors come to site, they could find the assets, and we could check before they left if everything had been covered.
There wasn't really an asset register as such. It was almost just the manager would roughly know what was here. The area manager asked me if I could come up with a solution to this. After a bit of looking around, I came across the Google Earth. So this is Wesley Quarry Structural Survey. We've managed to list all of our assets on here. It also comes with a list. So if you click on here, it comes with a list along the side.
Definitely improved it for us. I'd have to say 100%, because I look back over a couple of reports and there's an item that's been missed off for a couple of years and then appeared again.
So the yellow shows the electrical side of things, the blues are general things, and then we've got conveyors in red, so we can click on things, and then you can add notes also.
From the original application, it's just grown. So we're now using it for lifting equipment. We're using it for, we have a tunnel here at site, so that's marked up on it. We've stretched it out to the tips and lagoons, and even just to underground services. So currently we had a drain blocked, we'd never known the drain was there. It's now marked up on that map.
We've added in inspections. So here are the inspections we've got on our site. And then it comes up with a link. And if you click on the link, it comes up with a form that you can complete. So these are the responses we have with all the information of who's completed it, when they've completed it, and then any comments to go with it.
The fact it's free means all the companies can use it and all the sites can use it. And the one advantage to it is Google automatically update the photo for you. So we're not having to try and get photos upgraded when we change plant. We know in a couple of years you get that automatic upgrade. So adaptability is there for sure.